If you want to work with the federal government and do business with us, get vaccinated. We have the tools. Now we just have to finish the job with truth, with science, with confidence, and together as one nation.
The president has laid out his battle plan to confront the coronavirus pandemic. In a forceful step to fight the pandemic, President Biden announced new vaccine requirements for federal workers and large private companies.
Well, ABC's Elizabeth Schultze tells us the mandates could impact as many as 100 million Americans.
A sweeping new plan from President Biden to mandate vaccines for tens of millions of Americans who've yet to get their shots.
We've been patient, but our patience is wearing thin, and your refusal has cost all of us.
The president ordering all businesses with more than 100 workers to require vaccines for employees or face weekly tests. And all federal workers and government contractors must get vaccinated, a requirement that extends to hospital and home health care workers at facilities that receive federal funding.
This is not about freedom or personal choice. It's about protecting yourself and those around you.
The announcement marks a forceful shift from the administration as it tries to tackle the pandemic with the Delta variant spreading. Amid immediate pushback from GOP leaders, the White House defending the move on CNN.
So therefore, given that we do have a group of people in this country who have decided not to get vaccinated to date, we are very confident that pulling this lever of vaccination requirements across 100 million workers will have a big impact.
In states across the South and Midwest, hospitals are once again overwhelmed with COVID patients, most of them unvaccinated. Texas just reported its highest number of fatalities since the pandemic began. Cristina Martinez was in a coma for 6 weeks with COVID, now sharing this message about why she finally got her shot.
People don't like to be told what to do, but it's for your own safety.
Some GOP governors are already threatening to sue the Biden administration over these new mandates. The president appears to have solid legal standing under the executive orders and emergency rules regarding health and safety. Elizabeth Schultze, ABC News, Washington.
Well, many local leaders are not happy with Biden's plans to mandate vaccines. Governor Henry McMaster tweeted in part, "The American dream has turned into a nightmare under President Biden and the radical Democrats." Georgia Governor Brian Kemp also tweeted, "I will pursue every legal option available to the state of Georgia to stop this blatantly unlawful or overreach by the Biden administration." Georgia Representative Buddy Carter is also not happy with the president's COVID response. In a tweet, he said, "This is not leadership." President Biden was frank toward his opposition.
If these governors won't help us beat the pandemic, I will use my power as president to get them out of the way.